For years, if you were a Bitcoin investor, you had this one super reliable event to look forward to, the halving. But this year, something's different. The playbook that we all thought we knew seems to be changing, which really makes you wonder what's actually driving the Bitcoin market right now. It's this built-in supply shock that, historically, has always kicked off those mind-blowing bull markets because demand just explodes past the new smaller supply. The halving is still really important for making Bitcoin scarce, don't get me wrong, but it's just not the main thing driving the price anymore. And that new signal, it's all about liquidity. And in plain English, that just means the flow of money. When central banks fire up the money printers, all that new cash has to go somewhere. And more, it's fleeing regular currencies for the safety of assets that are actually scarce. Every single major Bitcoin bull run happened at the exact same time as a huge expansion of the M2 money supply. So this rotation from gold to Bitcoin follows this really predictable pattern. Second, gold shoots up to a new all-time high, which, by the way, it did earlier this year. Well, consider this one little number, just 2%. Because the gold market is just so enormous, if just a tiny fraction of that money, just 2%, decided to move into the much smaller Bitcoin market, boom, it would have an absolutely explosive effect, potentially sending the price to $165,000 almost overnight.